Fiverr affiliate marketing tutorial, how to get started with Fiverr affiliate marketing. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with Fiverr affiliate marketing and how you can start affiliate marketing using Fiverr. It's going to be easy, and I'm going to tell you all of the stuff that you need to know about this whole thing. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, you need to know about what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting someone else's products and earning commission whenever they make a purchase, whenever you make a purchase of that specific product. So on Fiverr has basically offers affiliate marketing program as well as along with other services. As you know, Fiverr is a freelance market space. You can sell your work, your creativity, your talent, and you can also find someone to do some specific works for you while using Fiverr. So you can do both from Fiverr. You can become a buyer or a seller as well. So other than freelancing, it also allows you to basically have an affiliate marketing platform. It basically offers you affiliate marketing products that you can market, that you can promote, and you can earn commission. So there are some different plans that you can work on. There are some different profits, commissions, and everything. So you can just check everything, and after that, you can choose a plan for yourself, and you can get started with Fiverr affiliate marketing. So here I have Fiverr.com open for me on my web browser, and this is their main homepage. After I've logged in, logging in is very easy. You can just you have to provide your email, then you have to provide your password, and after that you have to verify your account, and then you'll be able to log in. So this is their normal marketplace. Here you can see I'm seeing some different gigs of different people. These are the most popular gigs that you may like. I will ghostwrite unique stories and books with extraordinary plots and everything, and this is basically all the top rated sellers I'm seeing right now. Verified pro services in search engine optimization and Facebook ads and everything. So what you need to do is you have to come all the way down, and here you can see they have some different features of their whole platform. So categories about support and community. In community, you're going to find this specific thing which says affiliate. You have to click on this. The other way that you can do open it as well is you can just go onto your web browser and type in affiliates.fiverr.com onto your URL bar. And you can just go on and basically join this open this platform as well. So this is basically their affiliate marketing platform, and boost your earnings by driving traffic to Fiverr. So promote the leading marketplace for freelance services, get paid to drive traffic. It's that easy. So you can just click on this option, start earning now, and you will be able to obviously go on with the whole platform. So before that, you choose your commission plan, join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr, start earning. So this is how easy that they have made it look like. What you can promote Fiverr workspace, Fiverr business, Fiverr logo maker. You can also promote Fiverr affiliates, Fiverr learn. So you can basically promote all of these things, and you can generate commission whenever they make a purchase. So I'm just going to go into the whole thing. I'm just going to click on this join now, and or you can just simply log in. I have an account on Fiverr already, so I'm just going to click on this login option, and I'm going to basically integrate the whole both platforms. I'm going to log in with the same account that I have from a different other Fiverr freelance platform. So if you don't have an account on that, there's no need to worry. You can just simply create an account on this platform, and you'll be good to go as well. So for logging in, basically I'm just going to add in my username and my password, and then I'm going to log in, and I'll show you guys what's the next step. Okay guys, so this is your main dashboard. Here you can see this is month to date. You have your marketing tools, media report, registration report, and payment history. The balance is 0 right now. This is my ID. Then you have your impressions, your CTR, their unique clicks, normal clicks, registration, conversion rate, FTV, and commission. I have no data available on the performance and everything. So what are your marketing tools? Let's take a look. All marketing tools, private marketing tools, default and deep, geo, gig ads widget, and search box widget. Let's say I want to see private marketing tools for myself, and no results found, because please choose filters and click the show creatives button. So these are the creatives basically. If you want to click on the show creatives, it is basically going to show you nothing, because I don't have any private marketing tools right now. Then you have your reports, media report, registration report. Then you have your payment earning reports, your pixels, your pixel details, pixel log, and sub affiliates. If you want to go if you go on to sub affiliates, you are going to find your sub affiliates link. This is basically the link that you're going to promote, and this is the link that you'll be working on. This is the link that you will be promoting. Like if you paste that link and someone starts starts the like affiliate, through that link, someone starts buy something from that link, it is basically going to give you commission. So this is the whole marketplace of affiliate marketing platform of Fiverr. So let me show you the plans that they have. Okay, so they have two plans. This is the Fiverr CPA and Fiverr Hybrid. So CPA is basically cost per action. So this is $15 to $150 CPA, and this is $10 CPA plus 10% revenue share. So a dynamic CPA depending on what service your first time buyer purchases. So it is a very important thing, first time buyer. So when a person is going to buy something from the first time from your link, you're going to basically get commission from that specific sale. But if the same person comes again and buys something, then it is not going to give you commission. So you have to basically integrate new customers all the time to generate sales, and the old customers are not going to be the one that are going to give you commission, that you're going to basically generate commission from. So in the Fiverr Hybrid, you get 10% of cost per action and plus 10% revenue share, a fixed CPA per first time purchase, and revenue share for 12 months. So in here you get the same fixed CPA for the first time purchase, but you also get the revenue share for 12 months. You can make a lot more money by if you can generate more new audience, and if you bring more new customers, then are going to generate a lot more money from this package. But if you are like you're not pretty much sure that you're going to basically bring a lot more customers and everything, that this is going to be work well. So then you have your products, more products you can promote. You have your Fiverr business. It is basically $100 plus 10%, the $100 CPA cost per action once the account reaches $100 in spend, plus 10% revenue share for 12 months. The Fiverr affiliates is basically promoting for 10% of every referred affiliates earning for a lifetime, and the Fiverr Learn is being affiliated at 30% of every course order. So Fiverr CPA commissions, basically they offer different commissions like $15 to $150 depending on what category your buyer purchases from. So your quality for CPA, your cost per action commissions once your buyer purchases on Fiverr for the first time, we call it FTB, first time buyer. So the Fiverr Pro is offering $150 CPA for on all pro services. Industrial and product designs include graphic design, data science, mobile apps, and website development, and they're offering $50. Then there is website builders and CMS, and they have lyric, and these are all the categories that come under this specific domain. Then they have $40, they're offering $40. E-commerce and product videos are offering $30. They have 3D product animation, logo maker, SEO, t-shirt and merchandise, research and summaries, business consulting, proofreading, financial counsel consulting, and a producer and composer. So anyone basically buying anything under this under these categories is going to give you a $30 commission. Then there is illustration, gaming, article and blog post, video marketing, social media marketing, resume writing, voiceover, and short video ads, and they are being affiliated at $25. And all other categories are basically listing on $15. If you are confused to basically get a plan for yourself, if you don't know how to choose a plan for yourself, then you can just click on this option which says find your plan. They're going to ask you a couple of questions according to your needs and the things that you can do, and basically they are going to suggest you a plan, and they're going to tell which plan will work best for you, so you can choose that plan. You can go with that option as well if you're confused. Then the next thing is, after you have set up everything, you got your link, then you have to promote this specific link. It is not very professional that you go on into comment sections and just post your link again and again, and you are like somehow you do generate traffic from that, but it doesn't look very professional. So to promote your link in a professional way, I recommend you write a blog. You can start blogging and you can create a blogging website on WordPress. It is very easy and it doesn't even cost a penny. You can just go on to Pantheon, host your WordPress, and you can just go on and create a blogging website. The templates are available and everything. And as you can see, this is a reference website that I have opened for you. So this is 6 best Fiverr gigs top selling options. So this is the website, this is the blog that a person has written, and like here you can see it is a very simple blog. You have your graphic design. It has basically given information about different categories the Fiverr has. Business card design, and they have logo designing and everything. So after that, you can basically promote your link into this very easily. What you can do is you can just go on, like this is content writing written right here, then you can just go on at the end of the content writing, you can add your link. Like this person right here, it has added a link to his other blog, which is Fiverr versus Upwork, what is better. But you can add your link instead of here, and you can any person reading your blog, and if they are interested in Fiverr or something, and every person will go on and buy their services using your link, it is going to give you commission. So this is a very good way to earn some extra money on your hand without even doing anything. You just have to promote your link and then it will do its work. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any query, just comment it down in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.